Question: the most active light for photosynthesis is A. Violet light, B. Red light, C. Blue light, D. Green light. Correct answer is B. Red light. Question: which light is most effective in photosynthesis? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Violet. Correct answer is A. Red. Question: what rays of sunlight are mostly utilized by chlorophyll in photosynthesis? A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Green, D. Blue. Correct answer is A. Red. Question: artificial light can A. destroy chlorophyll, B. synthesize chlorophyll, C. bring about photosynthesis, D. not bring about photosynthesis. Correct answer is C. bring about photosynthesis. Question: light energy changes into the chemical energy by which of the following process? A. electrolysis, B. by photosynthesis, C. by respiration, D. by spewing. Correct answer is B. by photosynthesis. Question: which one of the following is the process involved in photosynthesis? A. potential energy is released to form free energy. B. free energy is converted into potential energy and stored. C. food is oxidized to release carbon dioxide and water. D. oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide and water vapor are given out. Correct answer is B. free energy is converted into potential energy and stored. Question: which of the following has the maximum efficiency to convert solar energy into chemical energy? A. chlorella, B. tiger, C. earthworm, D. cascata. Correct answer is A. chlorella. Question: which of the following is not the work of roots? A. photosynthesis, B. water absorption, C. absorption nutrients, D. to help the plants. Correct answer is A. photosynthesis. Question: when the bark of a tree is removed in a circular fashion all around near its base, it gradually dries up or dries because A. water from soil cannot rise to aerial parts, B. roots are starved of energy, C. tree is infected by the soil microbes, D. roots do not receive oxygen for respiration. Correct answer is B. roots are starved of energy. Question: phloem in plants is mainly responsible for A. transportation of food, B. transportation of amino acid, C. transportation of oxygen, D. transportation of water. Correct answer is A. transportation of food. Question: which one of the following does not increase the amount of carbon dioxide in carbon cycle on Earth? A. respiration, B. photosynthesis, C. decay of organic matter, D. volcanic action. Correct answer is B. photosynthesis. Question: which one of the following groups of compounds is called accessory dietary factor? A. Fats. B. Hormones. C. Proteins. D. Vitamins. Correct answer is D. Vitamins. Question: which of the following elements is not essential for plant growth? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. Correct answer is A. Sodium. Question: Funk invented A. Vitamins. B. Hormones. C. Proteins. D. Enzymes. Correct answer is A. Vitamins. Question: what are vitamins? A. Organic compound. B. Inorganic compound. C. Living organism. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Organic compound. Question: which one of the following is not an essential micronutrients for plants? A. Boron. B. Potassium. C. Sodium. D. Magnesium. Correct answer is C. Sodium. Question: living organisms require at least 27 elements, of which 15 are metals. Among these, those required in major quantities include A. Potassium, manganese, molybdenum and calcium. B. Potassium, molybdenum, copper and calcium. C. Potassium, sodium, magnesium and calcium. D. Sodium, magnesium, copper and manganese. Correct answer is C. Potassium, sodium, magnesium and calcium. Question: in which category of food is the most amount of calories per unit? A. Vitamins. B. Fats. C. Carbohydrates. D. Proteins. Correct answer is B. Fats. Question: apples have special value for heart patients because they are rich source of A. Sodium and potassium. B. Phosphorus and magnesium. C. Potassium and phosphorus. D. Potassium only. Correct answer is D. Potassium only. Question: which one of the following vitamins and deficiency diseases is wrongly matched? A. Calciferol, osteomalacia. B. Niacin, pellagra. C. Cobalamin, pernicious anemia. D. Riboflavin, beriberi. Correct answer is D. Riboflavin, beriberi. Question: among the following vegetables, the maximum vitamin C is found in A. Chili. B. Pumpkin. C. Pea. D. Radish. Correct answer is A. Chili. Question: which one of the following does not denature a protein? A. Heat. B. Infrared rays. C. X-rays. D. Heavy metal salts. Correct answer is B. Infrared rays. Question: protein requirement of young and old person are A. almost the same. B. higher in the young and lower in the old. C. higher in the old and lower in the young. D. very high in the young and low in the old. Correct answer is C. Higher in the old and lower in the young. Question: daily intake of proteins recommended for a moderately active woman is A. 30 grams, B. 37 grams, C. 40 grams, D. 45 grams. Correct answer is D. 45 grams. Question: how much protein a lactating mother requires in a daily diet? A. 30 grams, B. 20 grams, C. 70 grams, D. 100 grams. Correct answer is C. 70 grams. Question: starch is A. Monosaccharide, B. Disaccharide, C. Polysaccharide, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Polysaccharide. Question: which one of the following statements regarding starch and cellulose is not correct? A. Both of them are of plant origin. B. Both of them are polymers. C. Both of them give color with iodine. D. Both of them are made up of glucose molecules. Correct answer is C. Both of them give color with iodine. Question: which of the following is digested with the help of saliva? A. Protein, B. Starch, C. Fiber, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Starch. Question: which of the following vitamin is considered as hormone? A, B, C, D, D. Correct answer is D, D. Question: which of the following is found in the composition of vitamin D? A. Retinol, B. Folic acid, C. Ascorbic acid, D. Calciferol. Correct answer is D. Calciferol. Question: which one of the following statements is not correct? A. Milk contains none of the B vitamins. B. Vitamin A. Retinol deficiency leads to the dry and scaly skin. C. One of the symptoms of scurvy is pain in the joints. D. Vitamin B1, thiamine deficiency can lead to heart failure. Correct answer is A. Milk contains none of the B vitamins. Question: linseed is a rich source of A. Vitamin C, B. Omega-3 fatty acid, C. Essential amino acids, D. Antioxidants. Correct answer is B. Omega-3 fatty acid. Question: which among the following is the richest source of alpha-linolenic acid? 18-carbon omega-3 fatty acid. A. Moth bean, B. Oats, C. Mung bean, D. Flaxseed. Correct answer is D. Flaxseed. Question: besides proteins and carbohydrates, other elements of nutritional value found in milk include A. Calcium, potassium and iron, B. Calcium and potassium, C. Potassium and iron, D. Calcium and iron. Correct answer is B. Calcium and potassium. Question: fat present below the skin surface in our body acts as a barrier against A. Loss of heat from the body, B. Loss of essential body fluids, C. Loss of salts from the body, D. Entry of harmful microorganisms from the environment. Correct answer is A. Loss of heat from the body. Question: which of the following gives maximum energy in metabolic processes? A. Carbohydrates, B. Fats, C. Proteins, D. Minerals. Correct answer is B. Fats. Question: the substance which makes up about 80% of the living material in most organisms is A. Protein, B. Fats, C. Carbohydrates, D. Minerals. Correct answer is A. Protein. Question: consumption of fish is considered to be healthy when compared to the flesh of other animals because fish contains A. Polyunsaturated fatty acids, B. Saturated fatty acids, C. Essential vitamins, D. More carbohydrates and proteins. Correct answer is A. Polyunsaturated fatty acids. Question: the vitamin which is found in citrus fruits and is necessary for maintaining healthy skin is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Question: the main source of vitamin C is A. Raw and fresh fruits, B. Milk, C. Ghee, D. Pulses. Correct answer is A. Raw and fresh fruits. Question: Kanchan is an improved variety of A. Grapes, B. Indian gooseberry, C. Guava, D. Mango. Correct answer is B. Indian gooseberry. Question: the best source of vitamin C is A. Apple, B. Mango, C. Gooseberry, D. Milk. Correct answer is C. Gooseberry. Question: which of the following has the highest content of vitamin C? A. Carrot, B. Guava, C. Mango, D. Orange. Correct answer is D. Orange. Question: the chemical name of vitamin C is A. Ascorbic acid, B. Thiamine, C. Citric acid, D. Tartaric acid. Correct answer is A. Ascorbic acid. Question: which vitamin helps in healing the wound? A. Vitamin B, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin A, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question: vitamin C helps in absorption of which of following elements? A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Iodine, D. Sodium. Correct answer is A. Iron. Question: which of the following vitamins does not get stored in the body? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question: which of the following vitamins deficiency causes disease of slow blood coagulation? A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Question: which one of the following vitamins is responsible for blood clotting? A. C, B. K, C. A, D, D. Correct answer is B. K. Question: which of the following vitamin is used as an antidote to anticoagulant poisons? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Question: which of the following is synthesized by intestinal bacteria? A. Vitamin B12, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin K, D. Both A and C. Correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question: the source of vitamin D is A. Lemon, B. Sun rays, C. Orange, D. Cashew nut. Correct answer is B. Sun rays. Question: the vitamin available from sun rays is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is D. Vitamin D. Question: the deficiency of vitamin D causes the disease A. Rickets, B. Beriberi, C. Osteoporosis, D. Both A and C. Correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question: which of the following is found in the composition of vitamin D? A. Ascorbic acid, B. Calciferol, C. Folic acid, D. Retinol. Correct answer is B. Calciferol. Question: which of the following vitamins is known as ergocalciferol? A. Vitamin D2, B. Vitamin D3, C. Vitamin B12, D. Vitamin B6. Correct answer is A. Vitamin D2. Question: the common name of the chemical compound cholecalciferol is A. Bone calcium, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin B, D. Vitamin C. Correct answer is B. Vitamin D. Question: which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Niacin, Pellagra, B. Thiamine, beriberi, C. Vitamin D, rickets, D. Vitamin K, sterility. Correct answer is D. Vitamin K, sterility. Question: deficiency of which vitamin can cause night blindness? A. B1, B, C, C, A, D, A. Correct answer is C. A. Question: in human body, vitamin A is stored in A. liver, B. skin, C. lung, D. kidney. Correct answer is A. liver. Question: which one of the following contains more vitamin A content? A. cabbage, B. carrot, C. cauliflower, D. spinach. Correct answer is B. carrot. Question: which of the following is the richest source of vitamin A? A. apple, B. papaya, C. guava, D. mango. Correct answer is D. mango. Question: which one of the following is an important source of vitamin E? A. palm oil, B. coconut oil, C. wheat germ oil, D. mustard oil. Correct answer is C. wheat germ oil. Question: which one of the following is not formed in our body? A. vitamin A, B. protein, C. enzyme, D. hormone. Correct answer is A. vitamin A. Question: which of the following vitamins contain cobalt? A. vitamin B6, B. vitamin B2, C. vitamin B1, D. vitamin B12. Correct answer is D. vitamin B12. Question: which one of the following metals is present in the vitamin B12? A. cobalt, B. iron, C. zinc, D. magnesium. Correct answer is A. cobalt. Question: cyanocobalamin is A. vitamin C, B. vitamin B2, C. vitamin B6, D. vitamin B12. Correct answer is D. vitamin B12. Question: thiamine is A. vitamin C, B. vitamin B2, C. vitamin B6, D. vitamin B1. Correct answer is D. vitamin B1. Question: water-soluble vitamin is A. vitamin A, B. vitamin C, C. vitamin D, D. vitamin E. Correct answer is B. vitamin C. Question: which vitamin is water-soluble? A. vitamin A, B. vitamin B, C. vitamin D, D. vitamin E. Correct answer is B. vitamin B. Question: some vitamins are fat-soluble while others are water-soluble. Which of the following are water-soluble? A. vitamin A, B and D, B. vitamin A, D. A and K, C. vitamin A, B and K, D. vitamin B and C. Correct answer is D. vitamin B and C. Question: a person will suffer from beriberi, rickets and scurvy if he is not taking adequate amounts of A. vitamin B12, A and C, B. vitamin B1, D and C, C. vitamin A, B and A, D. vitamin B6, A and K. Correct answer is B. Vitamin B1, D and C. Question: which one of the following vitamins is helpful in keeping a dream in memory for a longer duration? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin B6. D. Vitamin C. Correct answer is C. Vitamin B6. Question: which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Vitamin A, oranges. B. Vitamin D, cod liver oil. C. Vitamin E, wheat germ oil. D. Vitamin K, alfalfa. Correct answer is A. Vitamin A, oranges. Question: which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Vitamin A, night blindness. B. Vitamin B3, pellagra. C. Vitamin D, color blindness. D. Folic acid, anemia. Correct answer is C. Vitamin D, color blindness. Question: which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Retinol, xerophthalmia. B. Tocopherol, beriberi. C. Cyanocobalamin, anemia. D. Algacalciferol, rickets. Correct answer is B. Tocopherol, beriberi. Question: which among the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Thiamine, beriberi. B. Vitamin D, rickets. C. Vitamin K, sterility. D. Niacin, pellagra. Correct answer is C. Vitamin K, sterility. Question: banana, accepted as most calories fruit, has what amount of calories per 100 gm? A. 416 kilocalories. B. 316 kilocalories. C. 216 kilocalories. D. 116 kilocalories. Correct answer is D. 116 kilocalories. Question: the higher protein content is found in A. Pigeon pea. B. Soybean. C. Horse pea. D. Wheat. Correct answer is B. Soybean. Question: which one of the following is the richest source of protein? A. Rice. B. Groundnut. C. Apple. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Groundnut. Question: hair is composed of protein called A. Globulin. B. Mucin. C. Keratin. D. Casein. Correct answer is C. Keratin. Question: which one of the following proteins is present in human hair and nails? A. Oxytocin. B. Keratin. C. Vasopressin. D. Trypsin. Correct answer is B. Keratin. Question: which one of the following statements is not correct regarding the amino acids? Tyrosine, present in protein-rich food? A. It can help increase energy levels. B. It can help with emotional and environmental stress. C. It can combat depression. D. It can protect against free radicals responsible for aging. Correct answer is D. It can protect against free radicals responsible for aging. Question: the substance responsible for bread making quality in wheat is A. Gluten, B. Globulin, C. Glycine, D. Lysine. Correct answer is A. Gluten. Question: daily energy required by a hard worker man is A. 3000 kilocalorie, B. 2700 kilocalorie, C. 4000 kilocalorie, D. 6000 kilocalorie. Correct answer is C. 4000 kilocalorie. Question: how many calories are gained by drinking a glass of water? A. 0, B. 15, C. 25, D. 50. Correct answer is A. 0. Question: an essential constituent of diet is A. Starch, B. Glucose, C. Carbohydrate, D. Cellulose. Correct answer is C. Carbohydrate. Question: the major food fuel during exercise of long duration is A. Fat, B. Protein, C. Carbohydrate, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Carbohydrate. Question: the element that maintains balance between acidity and alkalinity in our body is A. Phosphorus, B. Sodium, C. Potassium, D. Calcium. Correct answer is A. Phosphorus. Question: which one of the following compounds is not stored in human body? A. Glycogen, B. Amino acids, C. Fat, D. Tocopherol. Correct answer is B. Amino acids. Question: among the following which fruit is rich source of iron? A. Jambo, B. Karanda, C. Loquat, D. Guava. Correct answer is B. Karanda. Question: spinach leaves contains the highest amount of A. Vitamin, B. Iron, C. Fat, D. Carbohydrate. Correct answer is B. Iron. Question: which one of the following is a rich source of iron? A. Carrot, B. Pea, C. Rice, D. Spinach. Correct answer is D. Spinach. Question: iron content is found maximum in A. Beans, B. Eggs, C. Green vegetables, D. Milk. Correct answer is C. Green vegetables. Question: grains of basmati rice get elongated on being cooked because of higher content of A. Lysine, B. Amylose, C. Sugar, D. Oil. Correct answer is B. Amylose. Question: among the following presence of which brings sweetness in milk? A. Microse, B. Lactose, C. Sucrose, D. Carotene. Correct answer is B. Lactose. Question: which bacteria cause milk to spoil? A. Aspergillus. B. Staphylococcus. C. Pseudomonas. D. Lactobacillus. Correct answer is D. Lactobacillus. Question: which of the following converts milk into curd? A. Bacteria. B. Vitamin. C. Enzyme. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Bacteria. Question: cow's milk is slightly yellow in color due to the presence of A. Xanthophile. B. Riboflavin. C. Vitamin B12. D. Carotene. Correct answer is D. Carotene. Question: cow milk is yellowish-white in color due to the presence of A. Casein. B. Lactose. C. Carotene together with casein. D. Butyric acid together with lactose. Correct answer is C. Carotene together with casein. Question: what is the average fat content of buffalo milk? A. 7.2%. B. 4.5%. C. 9.0%. D. 10.0%. Correct answer is A. 7.2%. Question: which one of the following food materials does not contain all essential amino acids? A. Rice. B. Milk. C. Egg. D. Soya bean. Correct answer is A. Rice. Question: milk protein is digested by which of the following enzyme? A. Pepsin. B. Trypsin. C. Renin. D. Erepsin. Correct answer is C. Renin. Question: casein is milk. A. Bacterium. B. Sugar. C. Protein. D. Fat. Correct answer is C. Protein. Question: white color of milk is due to the presence of A. Lactose. B. Albumins. C. Carotene. D. Casein. Correct answer is D. Casein. Question: which of the following proteins is found in milk? A. Agglutinin. B. Casein. C. Myosin. D. Hemoglobin. Correct answer is B. Casein. Question: the tissues are formed in body by A. Fat. B. Carbohydrate. C. Protein. D. Vitamins. Correct answer is C. Protein. Question: the slow growth of the human body is caused due to the deficiency of which of the following? A. Fats. B. Vitamins. C. Proteins. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Proteins. Question: ribozymes are A. DNA. B. RNA. C. Proteins. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. RNA. Question: during respiration energy is produced in the form of A. ADP. B. ATP, C. NADP, D. CO2. Correct answer is B. ATP. Question: which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Chlorophyll, magnesium. B. Hemoglobin, iron. C. Table salt, sodium. D. Washing soda, potassium. Correct answer is D. Washing soda, potassium. Question: which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Vitamin B1 retinol. B. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. C. Vitamin B6 niacin. D. Vitamin C, calciferol. Correct answer is B. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. Question: which one is not micronutrient? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Sulphur. D. Manganese. Correct answer is C. Sulphur. Question: which is the main vitamin found in papaya? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Question: which one of the following is not a natural source of vitamin A? A. Mango. B. Papaya. C. Carrot. D. Milk. Correct answer is D. Milk. Question: alpha keratin is a protein present in A. Blood. B. Skin. C. Lymph. D. Eggs. Correct answer is B. Skin. Question: the golden rice contains B-carotene gene which comes from A. Carrot. B. Daffodil. C. Beetroot. D. Papaya. Correct answer is B. Daffodil. Question: even though an animal is fed with carbohydrates-rich diet, its blood sugar concentration tends backward to remain constant. This is on account of the fact that is the case of an animal. A. Hormones of pituitary glands control metabolic process. B. Hormones of pancreas cause such a condition. C. Blood sugar is readily absorbed by the liver. D. Glucose undergoes autolysis. Correct answer is B. Hormones of pancreas cause such a condition. Question: what would happen if the pancreas is defective? A. Digestion will not take properly. B. Insulin and glucagon are not formed. C. Blood formation will stop. D. Blood pressure will increase. Correct answer is B. Insulin and glucagon are not formed. Question: which one of the following hormones stimulates pancreas for the production of digestive juice? A. Renin. B. Trypsin. C. Secretin. D. Pepsin. Correct answer is C. Secretin. Question: insulin hormone is A. Glycolipid. B. Fatty acid. C. Peptide. D. Sterol. Correct answer is C. Peptide. Question: insulin is A. Steroid. B. Carbohydrate. C. Protein. D. fat. Correct answer is C. Protein. Question: which metal is present in insulin? A. Tin, B. Copper, C. Zinc, D. Aluminium. Correct answer is C. Zinc. Question: lack of which substance causes diabetes in a person? A. Glycine, B. Hemoglobin, C. Histamine, D. Insulin. Correct answer is D. Insulin. Question: insulin is produced by A. Islets of Langerhans, B. Pituitary gland, C. Thyroid gland, D. Adrenal gland. Correct answer is A. Islets of Langerhans. Question: the human hormone insulin is produced in A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Pituitary. Correct answer is B. Pancreas. Question: insulin is a type of A. Hormone, B. Enzyme, C. Vitamin, D. Salt. Correct answer is A. Hormone. Question: insulin is A. Fat, B. Vitamin, C. Carbohydrate, D. Protein. Correct answer is D. Protein. Question: which one of the following is not a plant hormone? A. Cytokinin, B. Ethylene, C. Insulin, D. Gibberellin. Correct answer is C. Insulin. Question: which one of the following is a plant hormone? A. Insulin, B. Thyroxine, C. Estrogen, D. Cytokinin. Correct answer is D. Cytokinin. Question: insulin is received from A. Rhizome of ginger, B. Roots of dahlia, C. Balsam flower, D. Potatoes tuber. Correct answer is B. Roots of dahlia. Question: extra glucose in body gets converted into glycogen and is stored in A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Bile. Correct answer is B. Liver. Question: energy is stored in liver and muscles in the form of A. Carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein, D. Glycogen. Correct answer is D. Glycogen. Question: hugging and kissing of mother to her baby initiates which of the following hormone for secretion? A. Insulin, B. Noradrenaline, C. Follicular hormone, D. Oxytocin. Correct answer is D. Oxytocin. Question: which one of the following is not a protein? A. Keratin, B. Fibroin, C. Oxytocin, D. Collagen. Correct answer is C. Oxytocin. Question: which gland secretes the milk ejection hormone oxytocin? A. Pituitary gland, B. Thyroid gland. C. Parathyroid gland. D. Adrenal gland. Correct answer is A. Pituitary gland.